If you annoyed that you can't get Blooket cheats or hacks on your school computer, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. So basically what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to search up polarislearning.org. So search that up and then just press enter straight away. And then when you do that, you'll be redirected to this website right here. When you do that, you're going to want to press cheats. So as you can see in the top right hand corner, there's cheats up there. So just go up to that and then just press that. When you do that, you're going to want to press Blooket really quickly as it redirects you to add sometimes. So quickly press Blooket. And then when you do that, it will redirect you to this page right here. It's going to be looking like this. When you are here, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to drag and drop the Blooket hack part. So go to it, drag it, and then drop it in the bookmark section. So do that, and drop it, and then it's there. The next thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to open a new tab, type up play.blooket.com, press enter. When you do that, you're going to want to type up your pin or whatever, and then you're going to want to press the Blooket hack, and then when you press on that, it's going to redirect you to this different thing right here, cheat, and then you can use all of these different things in the game. And yeah, that's basically it. Just press all to answer, and thank you for watching and subscribe.